Croeso I Alawfa Cymru, lle dwi'n mynd I fod yn cyflwyno 20 alaw a ysgrifennwyd yn ystod yr 20 mlynedd diwethaf gan gerddorion Cymreig. Hello and welcome to Alawfa Cymru, where I'm going to be presenting 20 tunes that have been written in the past 20 years by musicians in the Welsh folk scene. Mae hwn yn brosiect gan Trac Cymru wedi gyrradu gen I fi, Jordan Price Williams. This is a Trac Cymru project that's been curated by myself, Jordan Price Williams. Today we have a tune by fiddle player from Mae'n, from Anglesey, Hugh Roberts, from Llanddona, who is one of our tradition bearers here in Wales, on the fiddle, with his fiddle style and also as an incredible tune writer. Many of his tunes have already made their way firmly into the tradition here in Wales, and one of his tunes, Byth Adra, which is very popular, you can hear being played in the title track to these videos. Today, the tune is called Gwrachod Llanddona, or the Witches of Llanddona. Llanddona is a village on the island of Anglesey, on Mae'n, where there was said to be a group of witches who were part of a family who had been kicked out of their own country, possibly Ireland, and had landed on the shores on Mae'n. These women were said to curse and to shout, and their husbands were said to have made a living as being smugglers. This is one of really interesting legends in Wales, and this tune is all about this legend. So, felly, dyna ni, Gwrachod Llanddona gan Hugh Roberts.